Привет! Hello, my dear friends! Today is second lesson of Russian language, and today we'll talk about pronunciation and reading of Russian words. First of all, we'll talk about vowels. We have 10 vowels in Russian language. A, O, U, E, U. And 5 more vowels that are the same but plus sound Y. Ya, it's Y plus A. Yo, it's Y plus O. You, it's Y plus U. Yeah, it's Y plus E. And E, it's Y plus U. So, how we pronunciate and read these vowels in words? When they are stressed, we always read these vowels like they are. For example, A, mama, mama. O, дом, дом. У, лук, лук. Мэр, мэр. Сыр, сыр. Я, Ё, ликер, ликер. Ю, юг, юг. Е, лес, лес. И, мир, мир. So when they are stressed, there are no problem. But when they are unstressed, we read them some another way. Let's see main rules how we read vowels when they are unstressed. A, it's okay, we read always like A. O, it's problem. When O is unstressed, we read it like A. Be attentive. For example, word молоко. We write it молоко. Last O is stressed and we pronounce it like O. It's okay, молоко. But first and second O is unstressed. So we read them like A. Молоко. Молоко. Then U, Ü, E, we read always like U, Ü, E. It's okay. Then Yo. Yo is always stressed in Russian language, so there are no problems. We read it always like yo. Ya and yeah. Ya, yeah. When they are unstressed, we read them like E. Be attentive. For example, theater. We write theater, but pronounce it theater, theater. Пятно. We write пятно, but we pronounce it пятно, пятно, because ya is unstressed here. And one more rule about ya. In some foreign words, we read ye like a, because there are foreign words, yeah? They are strange for Russian. There are no some special rules. You must only remember these words. For example, in word effect, it's not Russian word. We read ye like ye. But in word business, we read ye like a, because it's English word, not Russian, yeah? And in some words, for example, businessman, we can read second ye like a, businessman, and like ye, businessman. There are two right variants. So you must remember some foreign words in Russian. And vowel E. E, we read always like E. When it's stressed and unstressed, it's good. But there are consonants in Russian language that are always hard. 3 consonants: zh, sh, and ts. So after these consonants, we read E always like U. For example, цирк, джин, and тишина. And same situation with you. We read you like you always. It's good news, yeah? But in some foreign words, after zh, sh, ts, we read you like u. For example, parachute. We don't pronounce parachute in Russian. No, parachute. Jury. But, for example, in city Zurich, we pronounce you like you. So you must remember these words too. There are main rules about reading and pronunciation Russian vowels. In next lesson, we'll talk about pronunciation of Russian consonants. See you!